everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails and welcome back to my channel. We should hop right into this quick watch me work. Alright guys, so I have already prepped the nails and I've added tips, and we're going for a very short almond, and I'm applying Mia Secret's dehydrator, 2 coats of the Mia Secret Extra Bond, and it's really super important not to overly saturate the nail with this and make sure each layer dries before you go in with your base coat. And we're using the Burano system, so I am applying the Burano base coat, again a very thin layer, and then I will be curing it for a full 30 seconds. This is actually my second time using this system, and it's a polygel system, but it feels like a thicker builder gel to me. So I'm coming in with this color, and this is nude, and I'm using my brush. This is also Burano, and it's coated in the Burano base coat. But even without the base coat adding like an extra bit of liquid, this is super runny. This is like a very runny polygel, and I might not be reading it correctly. Like, I mean, I don't know. Like, what does that bottle says? It says designed something and building gel. I don't know, like maybe it is a building gel kit, but I thought it was like a polygel kit, so I don't even know. But it really acts like a builder gel, because look what I mean, I have to flip over the nail and make sure that the apex like floats into the center. Anyway, I'll be carrying this for a full 60 seconds, and we're gonna be doing 10 full figures, just doing a full coverage of this nude. I like this nude though. I will say it's a little bit more jelly, you know, like around the tips, because I didn't have like a concentrated amount of product there. It did read like not as opaque as it would around the rest of the nail. But I will say that this is a perfect nude for her skin tone, and I would probably even be able to wear it myself. I'm a little, you know, like a few shades lighter than she is, and I think, you know, that this nude could be like a universal type one. The thing is that the bottles are so small though. I don't know. I wonder if they sell them in bigger tubes. Yeah, I would put, even though it works a little bit wet, I would put money into this nude because it's a very nice one. Very nice one. So I've cleaned all the nails off after curing, and I'm going in, and this cleaned it off with a little bit of half and half, 50% acetone, 50% isopropyl alcohol. And now I'm going in with this is a Gershon file actually. I love Gershon files. I wish they would sell them in bulk, but I'm going at it with the 180 grit side. I've gone under the nail to contour, reshape, and then I'm going around the surface of the nail, around the cuticle, and then going up and down in a vertical motion to just make sure I've got the right shape. And now it's time for the forsaken, forbidden, nobody wants to deal with it, striping tape. Why am I bothering with this? Why am I bothering with this striping tape? You know why? Because the client wanted it. So I'm going in with this bronze striping tape, and I will be applying it on the ring finger, the index finger, as well as the thumb. We're going to be doing it, you know, there's no real way to do it. Just make sure they like intersect 2 pieces. I did at some point add a bit of base coat, you know, just at the very tips to make sure that they stuck, and then cured it for a full 30 seconds. And then I wasted no time getting, is this matte top coat? No, a layer of top coat on there to keep it in place. And then I cured for full 60 seconds. And then I went, so that was Model 1's top coat, and I'm going in with Lavender Violet's matte top coat to mattify this, because we will be drawing a simple little bit of line work. We're going to be using Model 1 Solid Cream number 5. It's a really dark blue. I would say not enough to be like a solid navy, but way darker than a royal blue, somewhere in the middle there. And I'm just using my Beauty Galleria brush to draw one line, boom, cure it for full 60 seconds, maybe even 2 minutes because it's solid cream, move away. This is very simple line work. Burano polygel, done. Now on the thumb, because we only did 1 piece of striping tape down the center, we are going to draw 2 of the lines using this really cool blue. Other than that, it's done. Okay, it's a one and done. And it's worth mentioning that she has this blue on her toes as well. I love the solid gel creams. So nice. Super opaque. 1 coat coverage, but you know, So now I'm going in with the Burano top coat, and I'm making sure I go from cuticle to sidewall. I like to have the nails pointed downwards because I tend to work with runnier top coats and I don't want it to flood the cuticles. So I always have them point their nails downward, which I guess would be one of the number one uses for an armrest, but I don't get to use them all the time, so there you go. Anyway, top coating time means it's the end of the video, so please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys for watching. Here is a video and picture of the finished look, and look forward to the product list, very short product list, in the description box. I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and promise to see you guys in the next one. Bye!